Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here, author of Divine Soul Whispers and Live Like a King Without Growing Broke, Wisdom Nuggets for the Soul. Oh, yes, Divine Soul Whispers. Yes, and I'm working on volume 2. Oh, guys, did you know that I create my own journals? Yeah, so I like an eagle. Yeah, these are my journals because I write every day. You gotta write every day. Anyway, I'm reading you a poem that I wrote recently on June 14th. Look at what love has built. To love and to hold, to grow in patience, to allow freedom, to accept the soul's journey, to break paradigms, to create something never seen before, creating from the heart, building brick by brick, beautifully laid love stones, creating a masterpiece for eternity. Look at what love has built. Poise, joy, harmony, a forgiving heart, a genuine soul, a creative genius. Look at what love has built. As always, it's Keroy. Talk to you soon. Bye.